This is how to set a minimum order amount in WooCommerce. This is one of those simple changes that can seriously bump up your store's profits. When customers have to hit a certain dollar amount before they can check out, they naturally throw more stuff in their cart. Go to Plugins and click Add New, then search for Order Minimum Maximum Amount Limits by WPFactory. It's free and handles this without any coding. After you install and activate it, you'll see a new menu item under WPFactory in your sidebar. Click on Order Min Max and you'll land on the settings page. The interface is pretty straightforward. Start with the General tab since that's where the main controls live. You'll need to check the Enable Plugin box in the Order Min Max Amount section. This basically turns on the whole system for your store. There's an amount limit section right below that, and minimum should already be selected for you. You can ignore maximum unless you want to cap how much people can spend, which most store owners don't need. The amount types part is where it gets a bit more technical, but it makes sense once you see it. Sum and quantity are both checked, and you want to leave them that way. Sum looks at the total dollar amount in the cart, which is exactly what enforces your minimum. The require all type setting stays on too, so both conditions get checked when someone tries to buy something. One setting that trips people up is the login requirement option. Leave that unchecked. If you enable it, only logged in customers will see the minimum order rule, and you want it to apply to everyone who visits your store. Hit Save Changes to lock in these basic settings. Now comes the part where you actually set your minimum amount. Click on the Amounts tab at the top. The Min Sum field is where the magic happens. Whatever number you put in here becomes your minimum order amount in dollars. This is literally the field that decides whether someone can complete their purchase or get stopped at checkout. Save your changes again, and your minimum order amount is live. The whole setup takes maybe 5 minutes once you know where everything is. To test it, add something cheap to your cart and try to check out. You'll get hit with an error message, and the checkout button won't work until you add enough items to reach your minimum. It's immediate feedback that shows customers exactly what they need to spend.